Hello students, in the current video I will discuss users of accounting information. This topic is very important as far as the theory of accounting is concerned. We'll discuss internal as well as external users. This topic is useful from the basic level of accounting students to the higher level of accounting students. At all levels, this question is quite significant. Other theory questions also I have made video. I will share the link of those videos in the I button as well as in the description box. You can watch those videos for a better understanding of the accounting theory concepts. Internal users. The first internal user of accounting information is owner. The owner provides the fund for the operation of a business. In the sense, he is the key person who provides the capital for starting the business. They are interested in knowing whether their funds are being properly used or utilized or not, and the return they would get on their capital. In the sense, what owner is very much keen interested in accounting information as he wants to run the business. When he can run the business, when he earns profit, when he incur the loss, what he will do? He will shut down the business. Therefore, owner is the quite significant person who seeks the information of business, that is accounting information, to make various decisions. Management. Please try to understand the management is different from owner. Most of the cases, owner himself will manage the business, but management is different in the eyes of law. So what is management here? Management here refers to the people who manage the business, who manage the day-to-day operational activities of the business. Therefore, the management requires financial information for planning, controlling, and organizing and making various decisions in day-to-day activities. Therefore, these people require this information. And the third category under the internal users is employees and workers. It is an obvious fact that the employees and worker always wants to know the development of the company or the organization in which they are working. If the business is performing well and earning greater amount of profit, then employees feels that they will be paid more, they will be compensated with good salary. Therefore, they will be always eager to know the performance of the business. If the business is not performing well, they will try to switch to other companies. This kind of a situation may exist, right? So these are the three categories of internal users we find for the accounting information. When you come to the external users, the first one is prospective investors. In the sense, the people who intended to invest money in the business. Prospective investors will be interested in knowing the profitability and safety of their investment, which they can know by studying the financial statements carefully. In the sense, what? Suppose if you have some surplus money, you wanted to invest money. See, investment is very important. Money cannot be kept idle. It should be invested. Then only you will earn a greater amount of profits. So if you wanted to invest, you have surplus money. In which company you should invest? In the sense, for making the decision or choosing the company, you must study the financial statements of that particular company to determine whether to invest or not to invest. Clear? When you can invest, when you earn profits, at the same time, the safety and the minimization of risk is also very important with regards to investment. So, prospective investors, in the sense, future investors. Creditors, banks and financial institutions. I have included creditors and financial institutions here because there is a slight difference in creditors and financial institutions. Creditors, that is supplier of goods and services on credit basis. In the sense, what? The people, the institution which supply us goods and services called as creditors. On which basis? Credit basis. Whereas banks and other financial institutions will be interested in giving loans and advances in money. Therefore, these two people have been included with one objective, that the procedure of evaluation to grant the loan or grant the credit is one and only same. So that's the reason why Banks and creditors are very much interested in knowing the financial position of a concern before giving loan or granting the credit. To whom you will give the loan? The people who is having the capacity of repayment are the people who keep the collateral, that is security. To whom you will sell the goods on credit basis? The people from whom you can get the money back. So that is the reason why how you can determine based on the financial position, based on the financial statement, you can come to know whether the creditors are, whether the people to whom we have given loan will pay or not. That is very significant here. Then government and its authorities, these are very significant because government will collect the taxes from business entities in the various forms, various types of taxes will be collected by the government to run the show of the government. Besides, the government is very much interested in knowing whether the business is doing legal activities or illegal activities. Therefore, government and its authorities play a crucial role in seeking the information and making decision. Then consumers like you and me who consumes the goods, who utilizes the goods and services will be very much interested in knowing the operations, knowing the company's performance, because we always wanted to purchase the good quality product from a reputed company. Whereas researchers, the students, researchers, right, like us, we are students, we are learning. As a faculty I am teaching, as a student you are learning, so research is very important. So researchers will be very much interested in knowing the financial statement, financial information of the company to make decisions, to do the projects, to do surveys, to do analyze, to make their assignments. For that, researchers are very interested in knowing the operations. And finally, the general public. General public is also very significant, though they are not directly associated with the business, but they are indirectly associated with every business activity. Generally, what happens here, general public is free to form an opinion. They will form an opinion on anyone in any way. So therefore, this is very significant that the general public is very much interested in knowing the operations. That's the reason why the public companies will furnish their financial information in the newspapers, in the media, so that the general public would be aware of the company's operations. Clear? So these are the various types of accounting information users we find in the general scenario. So I hope I made you understand the internal and external users. Very important question. You can easily answer the question. I wish you all the best. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe my channel, Mentor the Trusted Guide, and motivate me to make qualitative and informative videos. And do contribute for this cause, right? You have a thanks button. You can contribute towards our channel so that we can develop more and provide you good quality content. Thank you very much.